and welcome back to ScaleMeDown and to a review of this brand new Arrows Hobby ducted fan L-39. Remember to like and subscribe to support the channel. Our regular viewers will know just how much fun we've had with these little 50mm jets, as they make a really handy grab and go model to have in the back of the car. And they go together as quick and easy as... well, it was almost as quick as that. Let's take a really quick review of the build. On opening the box, we're greeted with just a few well-packed parts. It comes pre-fitted with a vector gyro and an XT60 connector. The build starts by gluing the nose using medium CA and activator, followed by gluing the tailplane. Connecting the receiver is easy as the plugs are labelled. Next we connect up the elevator push rods, and it's nice to see these clevis keepers used. The aileron leads fit securely as there's clips on these sockets, and then the wings can be screwed into place with these 4 small screws. I set the control throws as per the instructions, which turned out to be 100% on the transmitter endpoints. I marked and set the centre of gravity by fitting this 1400 mAh 3-cell battery in the centre of the tray. Now I could apply the self-adhesive stickers using the black and white reference sheet, settling on a Czech Air Force scheme. All finished, and it's quite feasible from opening the box to first launch in 10 minutes. So let's plug in a 1400 mAh 3-cell battery and see how she flies. She got away cleanly from a hand launch, which is made easier by the finger grips under the belly. Despite only weighing 530 grams with this battery setup, she coped quite well with this blustery weather. There is enough power on 3 cells, but to cut through this wind, I often found myself at full throttle. The control throws on high rates seem about right, and it's very similar to the T-33 from this range to fly. In order to get the stall to be as friendly and benign as this, I had to set the centre of gravity right on the forward limit. The vector gyro seemed to be set up correctly straight out of the box. I'm not sure how much benefit it actually provides, as you can see from this onboard camera. With the timer set for 3 minutes of mixed throttle aerobatic flight, I landed with 25% battery remaining. So let's try again, but this time on a 4-cell 1400 mAh battery. On 4S the model really comes alive, and on this setup she weighs 550 grams. The extra power and weight make her a little bit faster and a bit better at punching through this weather. On either 3 or 4S, she's easy to fly, just a bit faster and with better vertical performance on 4 cells. Like the other models in this Arrows Hobby range, the servo push rods and belly have some plastic skids to protect the finish and make slide-on landings very satisfying. It's easy to lose track of time when you're having fun, and soon my 3-minute timer reminded me it was time to land, once again with 25% battery remaining. Wow, what a fun little aeroplane, and it really comes alive on 4 cells. you're going to need a few battery packs. And while you're at it, get yourselves down to Steve Webb Models and get one of these before they all sell out. Thanks for watching.